Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. It is a rainy Wednesday here in Oregon, and I'm going to refer to this as Truck Mod Wednesday because we are going to do some mods to the truck today. Please take a moment to like the video, subscribe to the channel, stick around a while. So if you've been following my channel for a bit, you know that I'm on a mission to turn this into the best possible pre-lander I can make it, and I have updated the back sort of overland features of the truck with a new tonneau cover from Retrax. I got an extrusion overlands bed rack, and I have the Skycamp 2.0 for my camper. Now, I've also talked a lot about doing suspension work to the truck, and I got a lot of my suspension parts in, but not everything, so we can't get to that yet. However, I do have some new mods for the front of the truck that I'm excited to install today. And that starts with a new set of headlights from Alpharex. So we're going away from the OEM headlights into some Alpharex headlights. Super stoked about that. Now, I also have a special sort of modification that I have going on for the front of the truck, but I'm not going to reveal that yet. I'll let that be a surprise. Trigger warning, it's probably going to, well, trigger some of the Raptor purists out there, but I think it's going to be fun. And for starters, you can see here, we have a stress fracture acquired by Off-Roading Shenanigans on my driver's side OEM headlight, and a whip pan over here to the passenger side, and we have one developing here as well. So yeah, time for some new headlights. Step into my garage for a little parts tour. So starting with this, oh look, it's a set of Icon rear 3.0s. So shiny. There's the front coilovers, 3.0s from Icon. So are the brake pads, because that has to be changed out eventually. And here is the Alpharex headlights. We're going to take this box with us today because this is the priority to get these installed. We have more suspension parts waiting to go in, new upper control arms, and tie rod. Also an ICOM radio. That'll be handy once I get that installed as well. Down here, oh look, a shroud. Yeah, I'm going to be replacing my rear shroud on the bumper because I have a boo-boo. We'll get to that. Up here real quick to show you, I have a third leaf for the Icon rear leaf springs waiting to go in. That's going to go in when I do the suspension work. But what we're after down here is this box. This mystery box right here. What could that possibly be? Well, it's coming with us. So, yeah, one thing led to another, and we did not get anything done in terms of getting this stuff installed in the last couple of months. We tried, but too much stuff in the way, and not in small part to the fact that there is a gigantic boat mass, 40 feet long, being worked on inside of the Emporium of Oddities and Miscellaneous Things right now, so there's no room in the shop to do any work there, but we are here finally to get the headlights installed at my house, along with the other special mod that we're not going to reveal quite yet. I think it's going to trigger some folks, but I think it's going to be fun. So anyhow, let's go take a look and see what Mr. Nicholas is doing. What do we got here, Mr. Nick?
No, this is a nice and shiny set of Alpharex aftermarket headlights. Absolutely beautiful looking units. Dig one out of the package for you for that sweet, sweet unboxing.
And here they are, the headlights, Alpharex, finally going into the truck. And again, we're gonna eliminate this little oopsie. I'm not even sure how I got that. Probably stress fracture from off-roading somehow, I don't know.
Tree, who knows? I mean, could have hit a tree, like branch. It is Oregon. Tree branches are a thing. So, but these beauties will be quite nice to install. These are going to look glorious. Check that out. Of course, I cut it, and then turns out the bag actually just pulls off.
Yeah.
Look at that. Triple beam projectors on the front. Double projector on the bottom. That's going to be a nice looking headlight.
Nick is reading.
I'm mostly just looking at the pictures. Words are hard.
And now a little test of the daytime feature for these lights, Alpharex.
Sweet.
Cool. We're doing a little before and after here. With the left side is the Alpharex and the right side is still the OEM headlight. We have not removed that one yet, but just to kind of give you an idea a little bit.
That should be all the way on, right?
No headlights on.
Oh. Wrong one. You want? That one.
There we go. That's pretty cool looking. Obviously, it's daytime out, so you're not really seeing the effect of the light it's producing. But yeah, you can definitely tell that that left one's way brighter. Obviously, the Alpharex are brand new, and this is 2018 Raptor, so the OEM headlights are 4 years old on this thing at this point. But very cool modification, and look how pretty that light is. It looks so great. How long before I break it? We'll see.
I give it a year.
And here are the Alpharex headlights installed at night. Shining on my garage. It looks crooked because my driveway is crooked and the truck is parked at an angle. But yeah, it's very clean lines on this garage door with those lights. Very cool. Super happy to have these headlights. Awesome. These Alpharex headlights are fantastic. I love the spill of light they give. Very clean lines. They look great on the truck, and they're better than the OEM headlights. And also, now my headlights are no longer cracked, so that's a positive too. I do want to go out on the trail and test these this spring and summer. We'll get out and do that. I know I've been on hiatus for a while, but more trail vlogs to come. And I also want to give a shout out to Tyson from Offroad Alliance, who has been a continued help in getting this Raptor set up for being an awesome pre-lander. And also, Offroad Alliance continues to be an awesome sponsor for this channel, helping me source all the things I need to get this truck trail ready. So huge thanks and shout out to them. Link in the description below to Offroad Alliance as well. And with that, this vlog's pretty much over, so stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.